Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
Well, I did something really stupid the other day. I've ridden motorcycles for 250,000 miles now. This summer I figure I turned over, I don't have it down exact, but it's got to be right there, maybe a few hundred, maybe a few thousand miles or short, maybe a few thousand miles over, but it's right there. Anyway, of course motorcycles, you know, have reserve valves on their tank. And yeah, just by saying that, you know I ran out of fuel. I really did. So you can't really see it. I forgot to bring my tripod, but I'm borrowing some fuel here from my boss. I got a little gallon gas can, and he's got a lot of lawnmowers and leaf blowers and things like that to take gasoline, so I'm going to borrow a gallon from him. Bring it back after a while. I've got to go out this morning for a little bit on the motorcycle. So I never have done this before. Not one time have I ever ran out of gasoline.
Oh, that is not true. Back in 1972 or 73, maybe 74, I ran out of fuel in my first Harley I had to push it home, approximately a half mile or so, and it was uphill. It wasn't steep uphill, but nevertheless it was uphill. Totally forgot about that.
Yeah, I got my gas can, a gallon. That'll get me down the road to a gas station, and I'll fill it up and fill this tank back to this gas can back up and bring it back to Kelly. Oh boy. Oh, I must have looked funny when I was going down the road. I was shaking the motorcycle back and forth, you know, to try to get a little bit of gasoline to go in the tank and the carburetor. And by golly, it does work. I'm surprised. I went probably a mile and a half, or maybe just a little bit further, just sloshing back and forth like that. So there's quite a bit of fuel in the bottom of a motorcycle tank, at least in mine. I never knew that before. I don't know if all motorcycles are like that. Of course, the new big Harleys, they have a gas gauge, and like anything else does anymore, but I don't. I just got a little old Sportster, 1200cc Sportster. I've had it for years and years. Bought it new. Yeah, but I never have run out of fuel in that thing before. Oh well. Can't win them all, I guess. Yeah, I'm sure glad Kelly has a little bit of fuel here that I could borrow. It's not very far to a the gas station, but it is a little ways. Forgot how these things work. All right, we got it going now. Oh, David, you dummy. There we go. We got her going now. It does look like after 250,000 miles, the fella had learned how to run a motorcycle. Of course, what happened, last time I went to a gas station, I was obviously on the reserve, and when I went to the gas station, I never put it over on the main tank. I just left the valve on reserve. The valve's right here. You can see it's pointing up. It's supposed to be pointing down. It's cold. My fingers are cold. They don't want to work too good. That's the main position. I'm sure putting that gallon of fuel in there, I'll have enough to go now to the gas station. But anyway, doggone, I feel really stupid. Better put the gas can back on. See you next time.